False. For creators like us, SD card is more than just storage. Every photo, every video, every once in a lifetime moment, whether it's a wedding, a wildlife shot that we have waited hours for, a vacation we will never take again, or footage for our next YouTube video, everything is stored on that tiny SD card. But what happens when it's gone? One accidental delete, quick format, corrupted SD card, and suddenly years of memories are gone. They are not just files, they are moments that we can never recreate again. So the question is, can permanently deleted photos actually be recovered? Can formatted SD cards still bring back your images? Or can we recover raw photos, JPGs, videos, and other files from SD cards? Well, the answer to all these questions is yes. And that's what I am going to share with you all in this video. No backup, no reshoot. Learn how I recovered my SD card data in minutes. Hey folks, Maspakli from WM Originals back with another data recovery tutorial. And today I am going to share with you all how to recover permanently deleted photos from SD card after format. And for this, we will be using Wondershare Recoverit. Why Wondershare Recoverit? Well, because Wondershare Recoverit is the best SD card recovery software for Windows and Mac, and I have personally used it many times to get back my permanently deleted files from SD cards, pen drives, external hard drives, and many more devices. Wondershare Recoverit is industry first AI powered data recovery solution to recover lost photos, videos, and other files from SD cards and external devices. It also comes with AI photo and video repair with AI driven full data recovery process for higher success recovery rate. Simply follow 3 simple steps to get back your deleted files from SD card. Wow, that's insane. Now let's download it. And for that, simply follow the links in description and pin a comment to visit Wondershare Recoverit official website. Now click free download. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Recoverit download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Wondershare Recoverit with all its features and capabilities. Here at top we get option to select location from where we want to recover data. In file recover we get hard drives and locations, which shows local hard disk drives and partitions on Windows PC. Next, it will show any external device if connected. Thereafter, in quick access, we get option to recover files from disk image, recover files from desktop, recover files from select folder, and recover files from recycle bin. Next, in file recover, we get SD card recovery that can help to recover deleted photos and videos from SD card. Thereafter, in utility tool, we get partition recovery that helps to recover data from lost partition, deleted partition, or inaccessible partition. Next, in utility tools, we get file repair that gives options in file repair like corrupted video repair, corrupted photo repair, corrupted document repair, and in AI photo enhancer, we get blurry photo enhancer and facial detail enhancer. In last, in other tools, we get recovery tools like system crash computer recovery, NAS and Linux recovery, OneDrive recovery, enhanced recovery, and also partition management tools like MBR to GPT conversion, disk partition management, and system migration. First, we can do so much with Wondershare Recoverit, but today we will test it to recover permanently deleted photos from SD card after format using a live example. Here I have connected an SD card to PC and it shows up here. Now let's open it. See, here I have many photos and videos that I had captured during an event. Now let's format SD card, and for that go back and simply right click and then select format. Here click start. It gives warning that this will permanently delete data. Click OK to continue. Once format completes, click OK and close this. Now let's see if Wondershare Recoverit can recover photos and videos from SD card after format, and for that, here we are back on Wondershare Recoverit. We can refresh to see that files are deleted from SD card. Next, click Start Scan. Wondershare Recoverit starts scanning for lost data from SD card and within seconds completes quick scan. Meanwhile, it will continue deep scanning to find more lost files. Now let's see if we have found the photos and videos that I had just deleted from SD card. See, here we have Akhil's iPhone folder. Let's open it. Wow, it has all the photos and videos that I had just deleted after formatting my SD card. It also shows a preview for the files. Let's open it to preview. And for that, click any of these files. See, our file is fully recovered, but as we are using a trial version, it shows a pop-up to buy a plan to unlock all features like full file preview, unlimited recovery, SD card recovery and premium support. Well, we will talk about that later. For now, let's close this. First, as we have found the photos and videos that we wanted to recover, we can stop deep scanning. But if your files are not found after quick scan, let Wondershare Recoverit complete deep scanning to find your lost files. For now, let's stop scanning, and for that, click on this. Now click stop. Here comes a pop-up. Scan stop. 55 files have been found. Click OK. Now we can select the photos one by one or can click on this to select all. Next, click recover to recover permanently deleted photos from SD card after format. Now here comes a pop-up to choose recovery plan for Windows. First, you can choose monthly plan if you rarely use data recovery as it is most affordable, or you can choose any of these plans as per your requirement and click buy now to complete purchase. Now this opens a browser to complete the purchase, and once purchase is completed, come back to Wondershare Recoverit and click yes sign in. Here log in using Wondershare account that you had used to complete purchase. Once logged in, click recover to restore lost photos from SD card. Next, we will be required to select location where we want to save files, select it desktop and then click save. Wondershare Recoverit starts to recover lost data from SD card, and once data recovery completes, here we have confirmation 51 files recovered. Now click open folder. This opens up the folder from desktop containing our recovered files. Browse through to check them. See, all the photos and videos are fully recovered and are in their original size. Let's check these. Wow, all of these are fully recovered without losing their quality. Amazing work by Wondershare Recovery. First, this recovery method can work in situations like permanently deleted files from SD card, accidentally formatted SD card, corrupted SD card, interruption during file transfer, or removed SD card improperly, missing raw images, lost videos from DSLR, GoPro, or drone. First, losing important photos and videos can be very stressful, especially when there are no backups. But there's always a hope as long as data is not overwritten. So if you have accidentally deleted photos or have formatted SD card, then Wondershare Recoverit is definitely worth trying. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. Also, you can search for Wondershare Recoverit on Google or Bing. Don't forget to share your feedback in comments to let me know if Wondershare Recoverit worked for you or not. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. How selling old storage devices can be a privacy risk, as even after formatting, we can recover data. How to enhance low quality video to cinematic video using the best AI video enhancer tool Topaz that is available with Wondershare Filmora 15.